In this video, we're gonna take a look at Glo Fiber and Xfinity to see which one is better. So I have a list with the pros and cons for each one of them. So we're gonna start with the pros of Glo Fiber. So 100% fiber optic, fast and stable, no contracts, no data caps, great customer service reputation. Then Xfinity, wide availability, high speeds with flexible plans and bundle options. Now the cons. So for Glo Fiber, limited coverage, select areas only, and fewer bundle options. Now Xfinity, data caps on many plans and price hikes after promo period. So overall, Glo Fiber best for speed and simplicity if available, and Xfinity more accessible but with extra fees and caps. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.